Hi guys, and in today's video, Globe Gamer here, and today, you're going to be playing in the Unicorn Pack. If you're the purple phone guy, I don't know why that's the name I picked. So we're playing against all packs, that's my shtick now. We lost the first round, that's pretty normal if we're going this build. We're up against another Unicorn player. It's a win, let's go. Lucky Cat. Wall chicken for Ogopogo. We're not getting Ogopogo. Okay. We absolutely lose here. Turtle Pac-Man. Another Momo. Double Lucky Cat. That's crazy. Then we got two Lucky Cats. This is a win because of the Mana Snipe. Let's go. We have the Cyclops. We also got two Lucky Cats, which is pretty good. Because then we can just GBM it or Gingerbread Man it. And I love Forbearing Trout. You know why? It's basically a better Hopo bird. If you just have big units, it's a better Hopo bird. Let's go, Gingerbread Man. I'm considering another Lucky Cat. You weakened my Lucky Cat. Look at this. Dude, 6 damage snipe. It's just better Hopo bird, man. Yeah, I just unfroze it. 8-1. The glass cannon strat. Yes. Look at how much stats we're getting. Look at this. Dude, Forbearing Trout seems so good. Look at this. Look at that, dude. 11 mana, dude. That's like equal to 22 damage. Double Cyclops me? Okay. Like, a lot of you are underrating the Cyclops because it got nerfed, but it's still pretty good. Look at this. Forbearing Trout. But I guess the bad part about Forbearing Trout is it's kinda like to get melon armor. Like, you know what I mean? It's kinda hard to get melon armor. Like, you cannot get melon armor. That's the thing about the Forbearing Trout. But like, there's no melon in this pack. So like, it's literally just better Forbearing, I mean not Forbearing Trout, it's just better Hopo Bird. Level 2, Team Spirit me! Look at this. It's a 16-3. That's what I call a glass cannon. Your Fossa doesn't matter to me. I countered you. I countered you fully. You also countered my Rambutan. Rambutan. It doesn't matter anyways. Conpeto, the thing into a Frostwolf. Conpeto, the Mermal into a Frostwolf. Boom! There's a lot of stats. You're up against a Summon build. This team is so cringe, man. It really is. Yeah, we just lose this round. Not even close. Cyclops. Team Spirit level 3. Here we go. Look at this. That's a lot of stats. Boom! It's a win because of the mana snipe. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. It's a level 3. And then we can peto the Lucky Cat into a Kali Greyhound. We're up against Sparrow team. We remove all HP into 1. We draw here. That Kali Greyhound was so clutch. Level 3. Mushroom Frostwolf. I love it. I'm loving every single minute of it. Oh, you countered me. You countered me pretty well. That was not pretty good though. We win! Because of the mana snipe. Let's go. We turn into a visitor into a worm of sand. Oh, we got the worm of sand ribbon without even a roll team. We're gonna get the ribbon without even the roll team. Let's see if we lose here. No, we win here. And that's the end of the video. Bye!